With your leading story this afternoon, or this evening rather, we start you off with the Gauteng Premier Panyaza Lesufi, along with Johannesburg Mayor Dada Morero and Tshwane Mayor Dr. Nasipi Moya, has signed a memorandum of understanding on integrated cross-boundary law enforcement operations, and this is to strengthen crime-fighting interventions. Signed at the University of Johannesburg Soweto campus in Pimville earlier today, the MOU brings together the Gauteng Provincial Government, the South African Police Service, municipal police departments, and district and local municipalities in the fight against crime across the province. Now, moreover, the partnership permits the involved authorities to operate beyond the usual boundaries in order to effectively combat crime.
Thank you so much.
Uhulumeni wesifundazwe saseGoli oholwa uNdunankulu Panyaza Lesufi usayine isivumelwano nomasipala abangaphansi kwalesi sifundazwe esigunyaza amaphoyisa komunye umkhandlu ukuba akwazi ukubopha izigebengu ezingekho emkhandlwini wawo. uPanyaza uthi leli galelo lizoqinisekisa ukuthi izigebengu ziphelelwa indawo yokucasha.
If we can't get crime right, we'll never get our country right. If we can't get crime right, we'll never get the economy of our province right. If we can't get crime right, we'll never attract investments in our province and tourism will suffer. We can't be scared of our own shadows in our own country.
Kusenjalo umeya wedolobha laseJohannesburg uDada Morero uncomeke lesi sivumelwano njengoba ethi siyisinyathelo esizoqeda inkinga yesigebengu ezenza imikhuba yazo endaweni ethile bese sibalekela kwenye indawo.
In a province as vast and complex as Gauteng, no single municipality can win the fight against crime alone. We need each other. Our residents need us. They need us aligned, coordinated, and focused. That is the power of intergovernmental relations, not as a bureaucratic process, but as a strategic instrument to unite our capabilities and deliver real impact on the ground.
Lesi sivumelwano kulindeleke ukuba sihlanganise bonke abomthetho abasuka komasipala abahlukene ngaphansi kwesifundazwe saseGoli nokuyilapho bezocobelelana ngamaqhinga okulwisana nobugebengu esifundazweni. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngisePimville.